Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will talk you through the answers for the add 2-digit and 1-digit numbers worksheet, and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits. In this video, I will take you through the answers to the add 2-digit and 1-digit numbers worksheet. So let's start with question 1. Use the place value counters and the column method below to calculate 27 plus 4. So I've got my pictorial representation here with my place value counters, my 10s and my 1s, and I've also got my column method with my 10s on the left and my 1s on the right. So I'm going to start by counting up my 1s all together, my 7 1s and my 4 1s. So I'm going to count up all of these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 1s in total. Now I know I can swap 10 of those 1s for 1 10. And this is called an exchange. So I'm going to swap 10 of these ones out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put a 10 down here to show that I've swapped 10 of those ones for 1 10. That leaves me with 1 1 remaining. So I'm going to put 1 in my 1s column here. But I can't forget about my 10 that I've swapped. So I'm going to put that down here to remind me I've put 1 10 in the 10s column. So now for my 10s, I've got 2 10s, but I've also swapped for 1 more. So 2 10s and 1 10, 2 10s and 1 10. Altogether that makes 1, 2, 3 10s. So my answer will be 31. Next question then. What number does Ahmed finish with? He starts at 43 and he adds 6. Well, we've got the 43 and we've got 6. Another way of working this out is just to count on. And that's what I'm going to do here. So I've got 43 and I'm going to count on 6. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49. He's going to finish with 49. Okay. Next question then. Joseph thinks 26 plus 8 equals 34. So far, we've looked at exchanging in the first question and counting on in the second question. Here, Joseph is trying to bridge to make 10, which is another way of working out these types of calculations. So he wants to add 8. So I'm just going to draw my 8 counters to help me to work this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's adding 8. So he's jumped to the nearest 10 first of all, which is 30. That's the nearest jump of 10 from 26. I know that 6 add 4 makes 10. So that means that 26 add 4 will make 30. And he has added 4 and he's ended up at 30, which means he's used 4 of those 8 that he wants to add. And that leaves him with 4 left to add. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 30, add 4. Now I know that 30 and 4 is 34, so he is correct. Okay, question 4. Use the number line below to solve the calculation. So you could use this number line to count on or to bridge 10. I will show you both. If I wanted to count on from 35, I'll do 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've landed on this number here, which is in between 41 and 43. So it will be 42. But let's try it with bridging 2 to check that our answer's right. So I want to add 7. So I'm going to draw 7 counters to remind me how many I need to add. So to make the nearest jump of 10, it's going to be 40, which I'm going to write there to help me. Now I know that 5 add 5 equals 10. So 35 add 5 will make 40. So I'm going to add 5. And that means I've used 5 of the 7 I want to add all together. So that leaves me with 2 left to add. 2 left to add. And I know that 40 and 2 is 42. And that's my answer. Okay, the next question. Use the clues to solve the calculation. Find 3 possibilities. I am adding a 1-digit number. It is greater than 1, but less than 5. That means she might have added 2, 3, and 4. These are all numbers that are more than 1, but are less than 5. So our calculations might be 69 add 2, 69 add 3, and 69 add 4. Now to work them out. So I'm going to draw my 69, and this time I'm going to use my sticks and bricks. So 60, 9, and I want to add 2. So let's count up the ones first of all. 9 ones and 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That gives me 11 in total. That means that I can swap 10 of those ones for 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do my stick of 10 down here. That leaves me with 1 1 left. And remember, I swapped 10 ones for 1 10. So I'm going to put my 1 10 down here on my column methods that I don't forget about it. So that leaves me with 6 10s and 1 more 10. 6 10s and 1 more 10, which altogether is 7 10s. So my answer is 71. Let's do 69 add 3 this time. I've drawn 3 because I'm adding 3. 9 add 3, so let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My total of ones is more than 10, which means I can swap out 10 ones and swap them for 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to draw my 10 down here so I don't forget about it. That leaves me with 2 ones. And my 1 10 that I've exchanged. So here I've got 6 10s and 1 more 10, 6 10s and 1 more, which is 7 10s. So my answer is 72. This time I'm going to do the same thing for 69 add 4. Okay, let's do our 9 ones and our 4 ones. 13 this time. So it's a number more than 10, so I'm going to swap 10 ones out for 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That leaves me with 3 ones left. And my 10 that I've exchanged. 6 10s and 1 more 10. 6 10s and 1 more 10 makes 7 10s. So my answer would be 73. Kyle completes a calculation using place value counters. 37 add 7 equals 44. Is he correct? Explain how you know. Again, you can work out this calculation by doing exchanging, bridging, or counting on. Let's count up to check first of all that he has 37 and 7. So 3 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. 37, yes he does. And then 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes he does. He has all the right parts. So let's count on to find out. So 37, and we're going to count on 7. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Yes, he is correct. Remember, you could also prove that he is correct by exchanging or bridging, but I've just explained one way of checking he is correct, by counting on. Okay, the final question then. Put a cross next to the incorrect calculation and use the number line to find the correct answer. So again, you can work out any of these calculations by exchanging, bridging, or counting on any of the methods I've shown you in this video so far. Let's do the first one by exchanging first of all, and I've got it written out here. 39 add 6 equals 44. They think it's 44. So I've written it as a column method, and I'm going to draw it with base 10 this time, my sticks and my bricks. So 30, 9, and then my 6 that I'm adding to it. Okay, so let's first of all start by adding our ones together. 9 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 ones in total, that's more than 10. So I can swap 10 ones for 1 10. I'm going to put my 10 down here. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And the 10 that I exchanged. Okay, so now we've got our tens, 3 tens and one more. 3 tens and one more. 3 add 1. 3 tens add 1 10. And altogether that makes 4 tens, which is 45. The answer on the calculation on the question was 44. So that's not correct. So let's look back at my calculation here. That one we know is wrong. Let's check the others this time. This time, I'm going to check the others by counting on. So we've got 9 add 17. I'm going to count on from the larger number, which is 17. I'm going to count on 9. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That one is correct. 5 add 29 equals 34. I'm going to count on from 29 because that's my larger number. I'm going to count on 5. 29. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That one's correct as well. Remember, you could have also worked those two out by writing it out like I did before and exchanging or bridging to 10. So I can see that B and C are both correct and A is incorrect. So the next part of the question, we need to use the number line to correct A. Now, we could count on this number line or bridge to make 10. Let's do it by bridging. So I need 39 add 6. I need to add 6 to this number. So I'm going to draw my 6 counters to help me. And I'm starting at 39. Now, I want to bridge to make 10. And I know that the nearest jump of 10 is 40. I know that 9 add 1 is 10. So 39 add 1 will be 40. So I'm going to cross out one of the ones that I've used. And that leaves me with 5 left to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I know that 40 and 5 is 45. So 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And that proves that the answer is actually 45. That was the answer explanation video for the add 2-digit and 1-digit numbers worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial for this step, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.